This month, I wanted to bring you a new idea or a new way of showing you some of my work in bullet journaling. I wanted to highlight my favorite pages from my books. This is the first time I did bullet journaling, and honestly, it changed my life. It is an amazing way to track not only your goals, but also all the activities and tasks you have to do in order to achieve your goals for the year. I started out sometime in April, and I wanted to share, even though I have completed 2 books, you can see it here, I marked the best pages of different things that I enjoyed and the different setups that I want to share with you so that maybe in 2020 you can start doing bullet journaling as well. So here we go. My cover page was about thinking positive, and this made this so much fun because it has some of my favorite colors. Then I discovered something that it's amazing. When you start tracking the things that you are grateful for, it is incredible how much you realize how lucky you are. Next, during the month of May, I really enjoyed this quote and also this type of cover page. These little pandas, they are so cool and awesome, and I enjoyed very much being able to track all the things in one page, like my breathing and meditation and reading and my mood. And not only that, but then you have this funny joyful looking panda to bring up some cheer in that day. And here I was tracking the different habits I was doing that month, but I also started tracking some great ideas that I want to do for self-care. And what I noticed the most is that when I write it down, I realized that it's important to do these type of things for myself, especially to find creative ways to relax and enjoy time off. This one here, I love this one a lot too because it was a great challenge that I created to save $400 in 1 month. And I started following these tips for myself, and honestly, they actually worked. I ended up saving a little more than $400 that month. Nothing in your life will change for the better until you do. And that is one of the things I've been working on this year to help myself focus and be very productive to achieve all of my goals and dreams. On this one, I started doing this very cool thing where I start either tracking or drawing something important that happened that day. And this whole week was so much fun because I was on vacation, so I enjoy that trip very much. But I also enjoyed doing the tracking with my theme of fireworks. That was very cool, and I also noticed that I was still not meditating as much as I wanted to, but I did go out for walks, and I also did reading every single day. My sleep is still a little bit off, but you know, if you track it, you can see where you can improve. And I think for me, that is the best part about doing bullet journaling. I did the same thing for August. I really enjoyed doing the gratitude in one page and the trackers on another. I really like that setup because it helps me make sure I track both of these things to help my mood and keep positive. I'm gonna keep doing this type of tracking because it helps me not only draw, which is one thing that I enjoy to do, but also find creative ways to highlight the fun things and the joyful activities I did that particular month. In September, of course, we had my beautiful daughter Emily's birthday, and I dedicated my cover page to her. So it was very cool to have her design this, and she was also able to contribute selecting the colors and doing all these fun little things that you saw in my September video. By the end of the month, I also like reviewing the things that I enjoyed and also the things I learned. This is something fun that I started doing, and I noticed a lot that it's important to focus and be thankful for the fun things that you learned and the things that you're going to implement over the next month. I was keeping up again with my doodle per day, And I think that's fun to do, again, because you keep track of important things, but at the same time, fun things that you were able to do that particular month. Last but not least, this is the month of November. And here, what I really want to show is the way that I noticed the best setup that is working for me is still a 2-week setup. And what I like the most is that I can see the whole week during one page. And also, I can look to the next page and plan ahead. And my progress for the month of December will be in my social media. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. And please look out for these beautiful stickers I'm going to be using to set up my December. And again, it will be posted in my social media, especially on Instagram, where I post more often, and you could see how I can use these beautiful stickers for the month of December. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in 2020, where I will be tracking not only my budget but also amazing goals I have set up for the year of 2020. Thank you so much for watching,